Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Apple CarPlay in your Volvo XC40. First, confirm your iPhone runs iOS 7, 1 or newer for CarPlay compatibility. Next, always use a high-quality, certified Apple Lightning to USB cable for a reliable connection. Finally, find the USB port in your XC40, typically located in the center console or armrest, and plug in your iPhone. This ensures a stable and secure link for the best experience. Once your iPhone is connected, a prompt will appear on your phone screen asking if you want to enable CarPlay. Tap Allow or Enable to proceed. Simultaneously, your Volvo XC40 infotainment display will show a CarPlay icon or a similar notification. Select this option and follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. It's usually a quick and straightforward setup. With CarPlay active, you can now access your favorite iPhone apps directly on your XC40 display. Easily navigate with Apple Maps, enjoy your music, or send and receive messages safely. For hands-free control, simply activate Siri by pressing the voice command button on your steering wheel or by saying "Hey Siri." You can also personalize your app layout through your iPhone settings for a truly tailored experience. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your iPhone and your Volvo XC40 infotainment system. Also, ensure both devices have the latest software updates installed, as this often resolves connectivity problems. For a smooth experience, always use the same high-quality cable. And speaking of smooth, remember to stay hydrated on your journeys. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your connected drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.